Make a great choice today with the 2012 INFINITI G37. The G37, a deeper level of performance, a new level of exhilaration. The car is blistering quick, yet returns 21 miles per gallon overall. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Come see the car for yourself.